Raymond and Charisma in celebrating their 30 years. Nung sinabi sa akin ni Kuya Clarence, ano pa ba ang sasabihin ko? 30 years have already passed. Ayaw kong kanin kung sino nagtitiis. hindi ko alam, ayaw ko rin tanungin kung sino biktima. But there is one thing for sure. And I would like to ask, bakit dito sa Pilipinas? Why here? Kasi kung titignan natin, it is New Year. At alam po natin, when it comes to New Year, it is the moment of reunions, family gatherings. At alam po natin, pagdating ng when it comes to renewal or anniversaries, we always equate it with food. We always equate it with celebrations and festivities. And I know this is just a part of more activities that you are planning. I heard some are going to Baguio. Some are going to, natas yung mga bata ng kamay. Some are going to Santa Barbara in Pangasinan. Some are going to Tagaytay. Some are going to Boracay Hope. But what makes this celebration fruitful and meaningful? As a